So I was thinking, what do people eat for lunch? Salads, soups, sandwiches. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So first up is salad, and let me tell you guys, I am not a salad person, but this falafel salad, so easy to make, really savory and really filling at the same time. I showed you guys this in my what I eat in a day video, but essentially you buy prepared falafels from the grocery store, stick it into the toaster, stick it into your air fryer, and in minutes you have a salad that is savory, filling, has your beans, has your greens, you're good to go. So that looks like the air fryer is really dirty, but I just have really hard water. So if anybody has a solution for that, let me know. I generally put the falafels in for about 6 or 7 minutes, depending on how crispy you want it, at about 180. So really, whatever you want in your salad, some greens, some tomatoes, some onions are a must for me. And then generally I put in a little bit of tahini along with lemon juice. That is an absolute must as well. Maybe, like a little bit of pumpkin seed, make it all really hearty, really healthy for you. But then also you're gonna be really full from this as well. So our second meal is soup, and I am one for super chunky, super hearty soups. So I'm showing you guys how to make a 5-6 ingredient chili. And it's one of those where you take a pot, you throw everything in, and in about 20 minutes you have a super hearty, rich tasting chili. All plant-based. You don't even think that you can tell. You have it with some rice, have it with some like whole wheat bread, and you are good to go for lunch. So this is a one-pot recipe. I'm going to put all of the ingredients down below, but essentially cutting an onion is going to be the hardest thing that you do. We have a can of beans, a can of tomatoes, a little bit of spices, and then 2 cups of veggie stock, and that's pretty much it. So I forgot about the cup of vegan meat crumbles. You can use that, or you can use lentils if you want. You can use crumbled up tofu, really to your liking. And if you guys can see, I actually didn't use any oil for this. I just used a little bit of water. That's why it was kind of smoky. A little bit of herbs went in. I think it was garlic powder, some cumin. There was one more in there that I can't remember, but I'll put it down below. Cans of everything, and then 2 cups of stock. And I just put a cover on this, bring it up to a boil, and then lower it, and then just cook it for about 25 minutes or so. And then the chili is all done. For our third recipe, I'm actually going to include 2 sandwiches, actually 1 wrap and 1 super easy sandwich. First up is the wrap, and it is a buffalo chickpea hummus wrap. You have no idea how easy it is to get these chickpeas to taste so good. Stick it into a wrap. Again, it's hearty, full of flavor, super healthy, super easy. You'll be surprised at how good this recipe is. So for this recipe, I start off with just pan frying the chickpeas just a little bit to get the liquid out of them, just to get them a little bit crispy. And then I add in a teaspoon of garlic powder along with 1 tablespoon of your favorite kind of vinegared hot sauce. And yep, that's pretty it. That's gonna be your chickpea filling. Now, if you don't have time to make those chickpeas, or you are like super lazy like I am, I'm gonna recommend an avocado BLT. And again, in grocery stores today, there are so many different kinds of meat substitutes. I'm gonna recommend the bacon version that I like the most, but what you do is you stick it into the toaster for a couple of minutes, it gets nice and crispy, and you just put it together. Avocado, bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, sandwiched between some really nice sourdough bread, and it is the ultimate sandwich goodness. So this is a no-brainer sandwich, and I don't know if you guys have the brand This in the countries that you're in, but I think it is one of the best brands for meat substitutes. I've tried their chicken strips before, I've tried the bacon right here, and I think it tastes very similar. I think sometimes people might be even put off that it tastes even too similar. But once again, I stick it into the oven or the air fryer just for a couple of minutes, just to crisp it up a little bit. And then we just put our healthy sandwich together. It is delicious. I'll do a couple slices of this. I don't know, 3, 4. Whatever you wish. And then, I'm not sure if this will fit, but top it off with some spinach. Boom. This is just a very, very big and amazing sandwich. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed these really easy vegan lunch recipes, and stay tuned because I'm sure that there will be a dinner. I mean, I'm thinking about dinner because I do dinner stuff for you guys all the time, but chances are we're gonna go to dessert first, which is always good news. So I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you guys all again soon. All right, bye.